Hello.
Hello, Jacsan.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My name is Deborah. I'm calling you from North State.
I will call you later, ma'am. Please, I'm in a meeting.
Sukma sir, Sukma sir, Rekha ma'am, Rekha ma'am, is this audible? Priya ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, there is how
Good evening,
Sir,
sir.
can
around 40 people have been registered, ma'am. We are waiting for the people. One by one, they are getting connection.
Okay, sir. No issues.
it's okay, sir. It's okay.
Ma'am, shall we start the program?
Sir, let's wait for 5 more minutes. Only 15 have joined.
Yes, ma'am. Saranya ma'am, people ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ recent reminder ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? No, no. Wait for me. Priya ma'am,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, we can start our program, ma'am, because the file will be stored in our YouTube, ma'am. YouTube live it will be
Okay,
there.
sir. Okay, okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
the lateral participants can be seen YouTube, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
I welcome Dr. Sukumar sir to give an welcome address. Sukumar sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, esteemed colleagues. It is my pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to this first International Faculty Development Program on shaping tomorrow the impact of artificial intelligence on the next generation. As educators, we constantly strive to not only impart knowledge but also to evolve in our own thinking. Research and this program is a step towards building those very skills that shape our roles as academic leaders. The world of education is rapidly changing, and with that, our approach to teaching, learning, and research must evolve as well. This development program is designed to help us explore new pedagogical techniques, integrate innovative technologies, and expand our perspectives in basic learning. We are honored to have with us some distinguished experts in facilitators.
Sukumar sir, it's not audible.
It's not audible, sir.
Yeah, give some more sound, sir.
Uh, Now it's audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's audible, sir.
Yeah, okay, thank you. We are honored to have with us some distinguished experts and facilitators, including headline speaker Dr. Shanmugapriya ma'am, who is a researcher in branding and enthusiastic businesswoman and acquainted in a postgraduate in business management, who has completed MPhil in Women Studies and doctorate in Management Studies. She is an administrator with a proven track record as a member advisory board at top 50 branch Nigeria. Since 2013, her research administrative experience enabled her to contribute to the companies to enhance their branding and development. She provides strategic guidance and advisory service to top 50 brands in Nigeria on nation branding. As an academician, she started her career as a lecturer in 1998 and also served as HOD of BBA department at Soka Ikeda College of Arts and Science till 2004, which is named after a Japanese philosopher, Dr. Daishaku Ikeda, a peace builder. He stretched her service at Caltech University, Avadi, as assistant professor and correspondingly assistant professor structure, research and development coordinator, cultural secretary, business secretary, and vice president. She has also presented many papers in both national and international conferences conducted in India and abroad. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and express our deep appreciation to our esteemed guest, Jacsan ma'am. And now I am welcoming V. Rekha ma'am, who is assistant professor at Manmull Jain College in Chennai, has made significant contributions in the field of artificial intelligence, with publishing many books and presented many conferences, both national and international. And in addition to that, she has got plenty of patents and got many awards like Best Teacher Award, Best Woman Faculty Award, and Academic Excellence Award. And she is also served as a IQAC board member in 2013 and has got another board member as Science International Publishing Limited in since 2013. Her work has not only advanced our understanding on artificial intelligence, but also has inspired countless students, scholars, and professionals across the world. We are fortunate to have some such a high caliber with us today. The depth of knowledge, experience, and insight that ma'am brings to the table is truly remarkable. Throughout her distinguished career, she has consistently set the standard for excellence in academia, not just through scholarship but also through dedication to mentoring and developing the next generation of thinkers and innovators. Welcome you, ma'am. Who will guide us through this session? Thank you. Who will guide us through this session? Her insight, experience, and expertise will provide us with valuable tools to apply in our classroom and research efforts. This program is not just a platform to receive knowledge, but also an opportunity to share our own experience, collaborate with peers, and engage in meaningful discussion. I encourage you all participate actively, ask questions, and embrace this opportunity for professional growth. Thank you all for taking the time to invest in your development and for your dedication to excellence in education together. I am confident that we will leave this program more empowered, informed, and inspired to contribute to success of ourselves. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone. Let's make this an engaging, insightful, and productive experience. Thank you.
I thank Dr. Sukumar sir for the brief welcome address for both Rekha ma'am and Priya ma'am. Uh, I would like to call Priya ma'am to give a headline speech regarding this program. Priya ma'am, it's not audible.
Now, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Every certain much. Is it okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am, but the voice is getting echo.
Oh, now it's okay.
Yeah, now it's okay, ma'am.
Okay. So happy, happy to meet you all in this platform. I'm Shanmugapriya. I'm currently in Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos is the ex-capital of Nigeria. I came here in the year 2004, and this is the 20th year I'm continuing here in Nigeria. We are doing our own business here. Recently, I met Mr. Satish in an international conference in Thailand. So through that only we came into connection with through the academics, and he is helping me and my son a lot in research works and book publishing and other things. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me for this faculty development program. Because of you, because of this program, I have learned a lot for the past 3 days, to be frank with you, because I am not a computer graduate, I'm a management graduate. So thanks a lot for you. And the coming to the topic is impact of artificial intelligence on the next generation, shaping the tomorrow. Yes, we are in a very massive change. Yes, the artificial intelligence is going to change everything in the near future. It is not like we are very far from that. Within next year, you can see plenty changes in the AI. 80% of the jobs will be impacted by AI in 2030. 70% of the companies will adopt AI by 2025, and 60% of the students will work in jobs that don't exist. This is the reality of AI now. So change is happening everywhere. Every minute, every second, we are facing the changes. We have to accept the change, and we have to get along with the change. We cannot sit idle, and we cannot say, no, I am not a computer graduate. I cannot learn AI. It is very tough for me, or I'm not interested in that. It is not possible, because there were some times we were forced to learn Android phones, how to use Android phones. We were forced to learn mobile phones. And during Corona time, everybody was forced to use computer, whether we want or not. All the teachers of different fields, they are not IT graduates, whether it is science or maths or anybody, they have to use the computer, they have to take the classes, they have to prepare their own videos, they have to generate their videos, they have to take the PowerPoint, the classes through PowerPoint, online workshop, everything we have learned. Because of corona period, we were forced to do that. If suppose I'm a teacher in a school, if I am reluctant to learn all these things, I will be thrown out of the school. So that is the condition now. So we need to accept the change. We have to accept that artificial intelligence is going to conquer everything. So we have to invest our money in the artificial research in intelligent programs and research programs, and we have to update ourselves. Yeah, of course, it's easy only because we are going to use only the tools of AI. We are not going to program AI. We are going to, as an educationist, we are going to use only the tools of AI. So it is easy only for us to learn. Even I am also in the learning process. I'm here sharing what are my ideas about AI, and I'm also going to study from you people what you are going to share. So it is a sharing platform. So actually, as a management graduate, I did my PhD So when I want to search for the title for my research, uh, I was thinking something different I have to do, because it's everybody want to do something different, right? So when we want to do the research, when we want to find out the research topic, we will be go for something different, which we others have not done. I am interested in marketing and I am interested in advertisement. So I seek one expert here in Nigeria. I started my research work in Nigeria only. My guide is Mr. Dr. David Jawahar in BIM. So first I met somebody here. So I was he's a Nigerian. He called me. Okay, come for a meeting. Let us sit down and coin your title. So I was just thinking why he's calling me. Okay, let us go and see what is happening. So he asked me, what is your idea? What do you mean? What is marketing? What is advertisement? In this, what you want to do? Then later, he make me to tell, okay, this is my interest. So my interest, I myself don't know what was the interest. By having a conversation with me, he find out that my interest is in branding. Okay, branding. We have achieved the topic branding. Now, in branding, what we are going to do? So, everything, there is a plenty things we can explore. So, we have to find the one unique title for our research. So, branding means we are creating a good image for a product. That's all everybody knows. So, for the product, you want to make a good image for the product. What we do, we will do the advertisement. Okay, so the product image making, we thought it's branding. Okay, from that, the branding can be extended to many things. One is product branding. The second one is service branding. The company started not only the product, the company started services, brand the services also. Okay, the third level is personal branding. How we are going to brand ourselves. Now, for example, we can say Mr. Satish is branding himself in research area. How everybody know about him? It's because of his work. He's not only stick on with his classroom environment. He's doing plenty things apart from that. He's having his own company. So he's branding himself. He is creating an image about himself. So he is into personal branding. So after that, what we can do, we were just discussing. Then we arrived at something which I have found not much research in that particular topic, that is called nation branding. So my topic in research was, for my research was nation branding, how nations are branding themselves among other countries. So previously, the nations don't have any techniques to brand itself. But now, after branding, after they study branding, they also, every nation have a government. We all know the government have some, brand managers. In other, it has not started in India, in US and other places. You can see a brand forum where all the brand technicians will be there. They will find out what is the most important thing in the country, what is the positive image of the country, how the negative image of the country affects, because every nation want to make foreign direct investment, want to attract tourism. So this is the place. So as a nation brand researcher, after knowing about this artificial intelligence, I research in Google. Okay, what all other nations are doing with AI, how far they are with AI. So when I do the research, I came to know again US tops the rank as a first, and it has started more than 5,509 AI startups. Then China is ranking second. It has started more than 1,446 AI startups. Then UK stands third, started 727 AI startups. Israel 442 AI startups. Canada 397 AI startups. France 391 startups. India 388 startups. India 388 startups. 8th place is Japan, started 333 startups, and 9th place is Germany, 319 startups, and 10th place is Singapore, 193 startups. So this is the ranking status of AI startups according to country-wise. So as a nation-brand researcher, I want to find out how far AI is in every country and how ahead is all other countries. So we are also in the fast moving place as we are into AI environment. The main thing is AI evolution. If we think about AI evolution, it was started in the year 1956. In 1956, there was a conference called Dartmouth Conference. All the prominent scientists, including John McCarthy, Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon, were the scientists there. They were started talking about this artificial intelligence, and that in 1956 they coined the name called artificial intelligence. They believe that everything can that you can make it happen with the machines by stimulating the machines. So that was the time in 1956 itself they have started thinking about artificial intelligence. So some more artificial intelligence programs they have started in the late 1960s, mainly with mathematical theorems, and it was done by logic theorist Newell. And then comes the expert system in 1980s. AI research focused on expert system, that is making the computer to think like human decision making. And then we have some important techniques in AI, which we can say like four important techniques. One is machine learning, another one is deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. These are the four techniques involved in AI. Machine learning is nothing but already available data is there. The algorithms enable the computer to learn from the data and program. Deep learning is it is a subset of machine learning, but it involves neural networks. Natural language processing is enabling the computer to understand and interpret the human language. And computer vision is if you give an image, it will process the image, it will analyze and interpret and understand something, and it will give you ideas about the image. So these are the four important techniques which we need to know about artificial intelligence. So the main, I am impressed with one of the artificial intelligence impacts in all the fields. In every field, we have its own impact. Education is different, health is different, medical, health, and then finance sector, transport sector, everything has have a great impact on it, and we are going to see the future tomorrow into 2025 itself. So when I was browsing through my Instagram, I got information. A Chinese doctor removes patient's lung tumor from over 3,000 miles away with the help of AI. So this was really when, like my son is in second year now. He's doing IT. When he was in grade 5, we were asking him which area you want to go, whether you want to go medicine or whether you want to go engineering. Okay, you are very kind-hearted. Medicine will be better for you. Like we were talking with him, but he told us, no, everything will be done by robotics. All the surgery will be done by robots. So I no need to study medicine. Even the doctors, I don't know whether they will be there. They can only write out the prescription for you. So that is going to be the future. He told me when he was in grade 5 that I experienced it today. So we have plenty things to learn about AI. And thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me for this program. And I'm leaving the platform to Mrs. Rekha, the assistant professor. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Priya. Thank you for your valuable and potential information about artificial intelligence. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Can I
Priya.
continue,
You
ma'am?
have been given wide information about the AI. You told you are a management people, but you have been explained more as a computer science people.
Sir, I'm time conscious. Actually, as I told you, I'm interested in branding and advertising. Yesterday, when I was searching some information to share here, I came to know how to create animated short videos through AI. I was really, and we all have Meta AI in our phone. I don't know how many of you are using Meta AI. my son 3 days back, he called me and said, I need a timetable. You help me put a timetable. I want to study. I have this 5 subjects. Immediately, I take my phone. I just type, need a timetable, 5 papers. The timing is 5 p.m. to 12 p.m. night. That's all I have given. And this paper, my son is very strong. This paper, he is weak. That's all the prompt I have given. It has made a very good timetable for me. The next second I sent to him. The next second I said to him, follow this timetable. So now we are started using AI. And also, like, I am very attached to my dad. My dad is no more. So whenever I think about my dad, he used to take to me to the school by bicycle. We used to enjoy a lot. So those things I typed in the Meta AI and I asked to create a story. It created a story. So after yesterday research, I find out that story can be animated. And after animation, I thought some other father and some other, because we have informed 8-year-old girl and 45-year-old man as a father. So every slide you can see different father and child. Then there is an option. We can select one particular face for the father for all the sides and one particular face for the child for all the slides. Then later also I have find out we can change my face to that child and my father face to that father. So we are experiencing all our memories through that. So what we have done, we can make a video and we can see. That's what I find out yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a great work.
Thank you, sir.
Have been done in AI.
Yeah.
Our resource person.
The only thing I'm afraid. The only thing I'm afraid is, and can I share some more things? Is there time?
Ma'am, no issues, ma'am. You can continue.
No, actually, we are into my husband is doing transport business here. The transport is we have like 5 trucks. The 5 trucks have to carry the goods from one place to another place. In the company, they will give the customers. The customers will be all over Nigeria. We don't know when they will give which customer. Now we have to calculate for every driver from this place to this place how much is the fuel. If we give more fuel, they will remove the fuel and sell it. So we cannot give more fuel, but at the same time we have to give proper fuel so that to reach the place and come back. So every time calculating is difficult for me. Then I put it in AI, Shagamu to Ibafo. And I give the truck specification also. This is 5-ton truck. This is 6-ton truck. So what is the kilometer? It calculates according to the efficiency of the truck, the brand of the truck, how much load it can carry. So this many load, only this many kilometer is enough. So this much fuel is enough. That is the data it given to me. And when I manually calculated, it was more perfect than us. So in the future, what I am afraid is we will be sitting idle. We will be in dementia. That's all I'm afraid. That is the main thing.
Use our own brain.
We will not be active. Yeah.
System is active more than us.
Yeah. That is the main thing here. So we have to use wherever necessary. We have to use. We can use. Other things we should not force ourselves to use AI.
Exactly.
So in this 5 days faculty development program, we are going to learn more thing about this AI technologies which have been used today and future. So today I welcome Rekha ma'am to give an advanced computer vision and its techniques in her brief.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
Actually, I'm going to tell in general only, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
So on some practical applications, I'm going to show like Chat GPT, Canva, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
People needed that reality only.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And I can give one suggestion. We can also go to YouTube and we can type and check how every tools can be used. They are giving the YouTube videos also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can also interrupt with me and you can show whatever you are want to show in YouTube now.
Yes,
Then
sir.
I'm talking.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am. No issues in that.
yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rekha ma'am, it's visible, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So now it is okay, sir?
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am. You can give a full screen, ma'am.
Oh, it's not visible. So now, sir, I'm sharing in full window only, right, sir?
No, ma'am. No, it's not in full view.
Okay.
You can give.
Mm.
Better you can press F5, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Now, sir?
No, ma'am. It's displaying
No.
one by one only.
Okay, sir. Now, sir?
Yes. Now it's good. Okay, ma'am.
Good evening. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. This is Rekha from Agurchand Manmull Jain College, Assistant Professor of Department of BCA. And this is the first international FDP committed by Leilani. Wait. It is the first international faculty development program for shaping tomorrow, the impact of artificial intelligence of the next generation, committed by Leilani Kaite, Publication and Press. Thank you, Satish Kumar sir, for giving me the opportunity, and thank you, Priya ma'am, for gave a wonderful demo about artificial intelligence, and thank you, Shanmugam sir. You gave a good lecture, and you have told about artificial intelligence, short and crisp moment, right? Yes. What is artificial intelligence? See, it is the simulation of human intelligence only, and it is simulated by machines. We can use our brains for our daily works and all, right? So similarly, we can how to tell? We can stimulate the machines, whatever the man is thinking and whatever the man is doing. For that purpose, this concept has come in the world. So AI is very much helpful to the people who wants to mimic the task like human, right? So AI is only mimic the task of human, and it is basically used for learning new things and solving the complicated problems, and to take decision during the complicated situations, and to understand the natural language, like what is the human is talking with us, right? Then machine learning, that is an important concept in artificial intelligence. Like ma'am told, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Previously, we have used machine learning, and what it is doing, it is like an algorithm. We should provide the algorithm for do the complicated task, and to recognize one image, whether it is a dog or cat, like that. Using machine learning we can do. And spam detection, you can check with your email, some data will be stored in the spam folder. It is Sorry. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, it's audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Used for, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Basically used for
Yes, ma'am. You're
recognizing images. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Whether the image is an apple or mango. So we can find out the features using the algorithm which is used in machine learning. So that algorithm should be created by the human, and we have to give some training to the machine, that is to the computers. We have to give some training to recognize the images, whether it is apple or mango or tomato or potato. So how it is possible to find out? Simply we have to train the images within the computer. So we have to train the images and we have to test the images, then we have to validate the results. For this machine learning concept, we have to store large amount of images inside the computer, then only we can find out the images properly. So apart from this machine learning, nowadays we are using deep learning methods. What is the deep learning method? Machine learning is used for simple problems only. But whenever we are using deep learning method, we can take a large amount of images. For example, trillions of images also we can take, and we can find out whether it is a dog or cat or whatever the object. That is called object detection. So those object detection concepts can be done by deep learning. So machine learning is used for small amount of images for recognizing which is the image and what is the characteristic of the image. But deep learning is used in big level of problematic situations. So these are all nowadays in process with our artificial intelligence concept. So machine learning and deep learning and this new NLP process, that is natural language processing. You can come to know that Google Translator, what it is doing. If you are giving some voice, then it will translate and it will tell the solutions to your questions, right? Answer to your questions. For example, we can take Siri, Alexa. Suppose if you want one Ilayaraja song, please play Alexa. You just play this Ilayaraja song, then it will play the song immediately, right? So the voice will be recognized by the machine. That is the matter here. So all the things can be happened sarcastically using this artificial intelligence concept, right? Suppose if you want to translate the language from Tamil to Spanish or Japanese or something else, you can easily use the NLP process. Nowadays, Google, what it is doing means they are storing lot of voices, and everything has been recorded inside the machine, that is Google, inside the server of Google. Then all the languages are being filtered and the pronunciation has been recorded. Then they are translating as per our pronunciation, right? Suppose some pronunciation has been missed out, means the speech will be translated into some other words. So these are all some problems in artificial intelligence, right? Then chatbots, you can see in Amazon, you can type anything, is a blue color shirt is available, then it will immediately do the answer. So those chatbots also is coming under the artificial intelligence concepts, right? Then virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa, it will do like a servant, they will do something for you, right? It is not like a robot, but using some device, we can utilize the device for our leisure moments, right? For hearing music, for doing something, or for changing channels or changing some electrical equipments, actions like that. So NLP, machine learning, deep learning, all the three things are very much important in artificial intelligence. Apart from these three things, we can go for robotics. Robotics is nowadays everybody is very keen to learn about this robotics, because it is very interesting to do something. We can manipulate the things what we have done, and we can segregate the things, and we can again do something what we need to do in the future, we can do such a machine for our own purpose. So manufacturing also is very much easy to do, and some drones can be used nowadays for agriculture purpose. Why we are using these types of drones and all? Drones are basically used for precision agriculture only, right? And suppose if you are having 5 acres of land with a sugarcane crop, you want to check with the leaves whether it has been affected or not. What we can do, the farmers have to go in each field, and he has to check overall the 5 acres field. It is very much tedious one. That's why we are using these types of drones, and we have programmed using these robotics program. For example, in embedded C++, you all know about programming languages in computers, C++, Java, Python, like that, you know. So in that particular programming languages, we can take embedded C++. In the embedded C++, we have to do some program for what our robot has to do. For example, if you want to push the left button, the drone should move to left side. That is called robotics only. What do you want to do? You have to do the program for doing such a kind of things, right? So drones are used like a joystick only. You know, in the childhood level, we could have played the video games like that and all, right? Am I audible, sir? Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So drones are like a joystick only. You can go anywhere else, and it reduces the farmer's job in agriculture field. Not only the drones are using for agriculture field, it is also being used in all the institution, organization for a large amount of photographs we have to take or videos we have to take. Means then drones are very much helpful. Suppose some natural calamities are happening in India or somewhere else, then they have to check by helicopter, right? So for that, using the particular types of helicopters, we can simply use the drones to do the supervising task. So it is very much helpful that drones are a boon to the farmers as well as to the politicians as well as to the government and normal human also, right? Then surgical robots, what ma'am told, it is doing some liver operation and some heart surgery and all, the robot is only doing nowadays, like that she told. Yes, exactly, we should have programmed using some computer language. Then what is the program? For example, if your age is greater than or equal to 18, means you can easily vote to the polling system, right? In India, you can easily vote. So there is one condition you have to give, if or else condition you have to give in your programs, like that. For whatever the robots or drones you are making, you have to embed your program using one programming language, right? Then computer vision. See, computer vision is the massive area in artificial intelligence. What it is doing? Human vision is easy to understand by the colors, by the features, by touching the particular objects. But computers didn't know anything and do not know anything. What is red color? What is yellow color? What is the structure of the particular object and all? It doesn't know. So we have to give some training to the computer. Then only we can see the vision of the computers, right? So we have to train more and more images or videos. Then only the computer will understand. So and it will learn the features using machine learning or deep learning, right? In machine learning, we have to tell more and more to find out the features. But in deep learning, you just use the algorithm, then it is easy to understand the features. So for tedious task, we can select deep learning. So in the vision of the computer, we can tell the images on apple or orange, like that we can tell. And in the videos, we can use the computer vision technology, whether is there any harmful instrument is there or not, we can easily find out the vision, right? Next, deep learning, already I have told, it is basically used for speech recognition, fraud detection, and autonomous driving. In US, we can see no driver will be there. If we have set the source and destination, then the car will be automatically how to tell Tesla car. Do you know about Tesla car? Anyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So using that type of brands and all, we can see the autonomous driving. We just pressing the button, then it will move to the particular destination. These concepts are coming under deep learning. In our car, we can also see which car is coming behind us and back to us. Like that, we can see nowadays in India also. We can see in my car also we have installed like that only. Artificial intelligence concept is there. So without any driver's help or some others help, we can use the artificial intelligence concept in our basic driving too, right? Next, expert system. Expert system is nothing but in medical field we can basically use these types of artificial intelligence concept. That's why they are telling it is doing some expert concepts and all. And weather prediction is very much important. Earthquake prediction is important. So these are all coming under the artificial intelligence concept only, right? Then financial services. Nowadays, blockchain technology is using wherever we go. So security is important. For that purpose, we are using this artificial intelligence concept like cryptocurrency and all we are using. We need not to take any cash or something. It will be automatically done by digital mode only, right? That is called expert systems and all, right? Next, in the next generation, already ma'am told in the education, it is giving some massive impact, right? For personalized learning, for accessing the internet resources, then we can use AI tutors and assistants. Those are all coming under education only, like Chat GPT, Chat PDF. These are all coming under education. We will go by practically after this session, right? Healthcare we can use like this. For example, if you want to check your hair whether it is dense or not, or your scalp is good or not, then it is possible under deep learning method, right? They will check it out your hair fall and they will use one program and software for whether it has been densed or not and what are the supplements you want to take. Those diagnostics methods can be done using artificial intelligence. Telemedicine also available. Suppose if the doctor is in USA and you can automatically suggest with the particular person using chat methods only, right? And it will monitor the patient's health. For example, for an hour once, it will check the patient so that we can avoid the death rates, right? So in healthcare, it is very much helpful for getting more impacts in artificial intelligence, right? Next, in workforce, for example, if you want to hire 1,000 people for doing some project, we need not to do like that. Just one robot we can prepare and we can install, and it will take all the things. So using these types of workforce dynamics, we can upskill the process and we can reskill the process. So for upskilling, upskilling means we can learn new using the robot. Reskilling means same thing can be given by the new version. That is called reskilling. Then we are going to environmental intelligence. It can be used, artificial intelligence can be used for climate modeling and for resource optimization is nothing but nowadays nobody is using cows and bullocks like that. Nobody is using. Just they are using the device and finding out the weather of the situation and how was the moisture, how about the moisture of the soil, we can grow whether sugarcane or paddy or wheat. So it will check the total environment and total agricultural conditions to sow some seeds. So as per the soil moisture, the farmers will show the seeds for high yield, right? So it is testing the environment too using the artificial intelligence devices. See, in creative methods, we can create a new Mona Lisa like this. So an artist can be take the figure from one website to generate new images. So these are all generative AI, right? Generative AI is nothing but one image can be developed as new images, not only for images but also for videos. Okay. Then we can collaborate with new artists, and this is not only used for arts and musics, right? It is also used for some other things, for videos, for creating old videos with new videos, for creating old black and white pictures to color pictures, for mixing Ilayaraja song with A.R. Rahman song. So these are all coming under generative AI concepts. See, ChatGPT also is coming under generative artificial intelligence. We are creating more and more. So we are simply training the system for doing more and more, for getting the precision. That is precise results we have to get from the system. That's why we are training more and more with the systems, right? So using this artificial intelligence for the next generation, economically there will be a massive growth. So it will produce and it will increase the productivity. Whatever you are doing, the productivity will be more in whatever the field is, right? So entrepreneurship opportunities also will come to you. Then new research and innovation hubs can be created with the use of artificial intelligence. So simply we can tell artificial in the next generation, digital and divide concept will be there, and anyone can get the partnership from one country to another country, right? Nowadays, global connectivity is possible. For example, India and Russia can do some partnerships regarding 5G transformation or something else. These are all coming under artificial intelligence only. So there is no partiality. So access and equity will be there, right? And it will bridge the technology gaps between the countries, right? So AI will impact in all the countries, not only in US, not only in Japan. It will impact in all the countries, right? Okay. So I'm simply telling you some learning platforms also available using these types of artificial intelligence. You can see in the internet, Coursera, edX, Udacity, they are having lot of artificial intelligence courses they are having. See, Andrew Ng is the most famous person for machine learning and deep learning subjects. You can check with Coursera. There are a lot of artificial intelligence courses are available, right? So these are all some courses I'm showing you. For computer vision, you can select Udacity, and for machine learning and deep learning, you can go with edX and all, right? And then AI development and experiment tools are also available nowadays. You can check with Google Colab. It is nothing but you can take your research problem and you just type the programs, Python programs in this Google Colab. You need not to install any software or hardware to do your particular programs, right? Research programs, research oriented programs. And Google Colab also supports TensorFlow and PyTorch tools. Those are all used for research purposes. And Jupyter Notebook, see, I will show you about Google Colab, right? Jupyter Notebooks is nothing but it's like a HTML notepad only, right? For this Jupyter Notebooks, we have to feed some data using Python programs, right? Then it will show you the accurate result. For example, in Amazon, they want to take the census. That is, last year, how many t-shirts have been sold out? And this year, how many t-shirts have been sold out? When they want to compare both the marketing prices and numbers of the t-shirts, they should need the help of the Python programs, right? So that type of Python program should be typed in this Jupyter notebook only, right? Next, Kaggle. Kaggle is nothing but it is offering lot of data sets. For example, if you want to check with trillions of fruit images, you just go with the Kaggle and you just type fruit data set. It will show you thousands of lakhs of trillions of billions of data set. That is data will be shown immediately. So artificial intelligence is not coming under this 2000 years only. It is coming. It how to tell? Already it has been developed. But now we are giving more and more works to the artificial intelligence machines, that is concept, for getting the accurate results. Okay, so Kaggle is nothing but it is providing lot of data, whatever the title you are typing. So it is very much helpful for machine learning and deep learning, and they are also providing lot of competitions nowadays for providing the data from the students or scientists or researchers or professors, some who are all interested in the competition. They can provide lot of data to the Kaggle, right? What we are doing, simply we are helping the machine to learn more and more for getting accurate results only. Then only AI will be developed in the huge amount. Then some problem solving tools are also available for clearing our mathematical complicated problems, to hold from alpha, photo math and all we can use, right? So you just Google it and you can see what is the tools you can use it promptly. Next, in healthcare, we can see IBM Watson Health. It is mostly used for cancer operations, and Google DeepMind Health also nowadays used for diagnosing the kidney diseases. Okay, and Zebra Medical Vision is used for finding out the X-rays. In X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, wherever you go, the computer vision is very much helpful. So the computer should be used for finding out the features more. If it is wrongly telling anything, means then the vision will be wrong. Okay, so it should detect the diseases promptly, more accurately. So that's why we have to use the computer vision concept efficiently, right? What are the merits of artificial intelligence? Simple. We can increase our efficiency and enhanced healthcare we can do, and decision making. We can take our decision quickly within a short period of time. And personalization means we can personalize, we can customize our own music, we can do our own e-commerce duties. We can use the artificial intelligence for our educational purpose, and we can get the satisfaction of the customer. That is for business purpose we can use. So for our daily purpose, we can use artificial intelligence concept. Nowadays it is going good only. So we have to improve these concepts in our daily life, right? Next, cost reduction also very much important because of artificial intelligence. And globally, if something is changing, means using this artificial intelligence, it will also affect our climate, food security, whatever it may be. We can also grow using this artificial intelligence, right? And what are the demerits we can see? Job displacement is very much important one here. Most of the companies are reducing the human resources nowadays because of artificial intelligence, right? So that is inevitable one. Like manufacturing, customer service, retail companies are taking the artificial intelligence robots only for humans, behalf of humans. So it is a pathetic one nowadays. And ethical concern, somebody is using, that is misusing the artificial intelligence concept, means Instagram, Facebook, everybody will do morphing, each and everything they will do. So these are all some ethical concerns. Unfair outcomes will come. privacy issues also there. Data security is most important. We have to secure our data first of all. Wherever they are asking our date of birth and account number, password, we shouldn't reveal the things and all, right? Then lack of transparency also there. That is black boxes. How to tell? Many AI systems acts like a black boxes. Whatever you're asking, it will show the things. That is called black box. There is no secrecy in that. So that is also a demerit of an artificial intelligence concept, right? And over dependency will be there. Our brain will get shrinked when we are using artificial intelligence concepts. And then implementation cost also will be high. So we have to invest more and more. Security risk also there, right? So simply we can tell the future of AI will be bright and transformative only, and it will be used to improve our healthcare, business, education, and other critical sectors also, right? So there will be some challenges when we are using artificial intelligence. As AI technologies are continue to evolve, they will reshape our world in ways differently, right? To be like a span, just include the good, eject the bad. That is the impact in the next generation, right? So, shall we go with the practical concepts, the Chat GPT and all? Everybody knows about Chat GPT, Canva, like that, right? Am I right? Excuse me, anyone is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Yes.
Chat GPT.
Yes, sir. Simply I'm typing chatgpt.com and all, right? See, nowadays ChatGPT is getting more and more. In basic versions, we cannot see like this. See here, create a cartoon illustration of my pet like that. You can see, right? Now I am creating. Say, I just typed, I need a cat. Then it is asking us, could you describe how your cat looks? For example, its fur color, any distinct patterns or any other particular pose like that, it is asking us. So as per our queries, it will develop the image. Then it will provide us the particular object. So this is called computer vision, right? So what do you want? It will ask us. Suppose if we are asking with your friend, then he will easily identify this is the cat. What do you like? But the machine will not easily identify what we need and all. So we have to train our machine more and more. That is the maximum and important point when we are using the artificial intelligence concept. I need a black cat like that. I'm typing what it is telling. Let's see. It's not understanding or not. Let's see. Something interesting. Yes, got it. It will create an illusion of a black cat like that. See, just I have typed I need a black cat. Then it will provide a black cat, and it is telling. It is also telling and explaining what is inside the image. See the black cat napping peacefully by the fire. I hope it captures the cozy warm atmosphere you were living. So additional information also the artificial intelligence concept is giving to you, right? Okay. I am asking what are the characteristics of pet animals, like that I am asking. So see, whatever the things you are asking, something it is giving. Companionship, trainability, social behavior, domestication, emotional sensitivity. Suppose if I am asking you the same question, we have to think at least for 5 minutes. Then only we will provide the information. But when we are using the artificial intelligence concept, within a second we can easily get the information. Okay. I'm asking it to create a table. See, create a table for the about text. I need a table. Then what it is creating? See, it is creating simply a table. Whatever the theory it has given, it has been completely summarized as a table. You just copy this table and put it into the Excel. Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am? It is visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it's visible, ma'am. We are following.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See the text, we are having 1 to 8 points, and all the 8 points have been changed into the table format. It has happened by the artificial intelligence concept only. You just copy it and then paste. You just see the symbol. Somebody will not know about the languages. Can we do one thing? Please translate into Tamil. This is called NLP process. See, it is totally changing the word. For example, companionship is totally translated into Tolamai, like that it is coming, right? So everybody is coming under coming, or I don't know. So whatever you are giving here, social behavior, it is changing it as some word, right? Samuga nadathai, like that it is telling. Okay. So these are all coming under the artificial concept only. So you can create the table, you can create the chart, you can use the pictures using these types of artificial intelligence chat GPT concept. And one more thing, research scholar, if you are a research scholar, then you can check with chatpdf.com, right? What is the chatpdf.com? If you are a free user, then you can use 3 PDFs for chatting with the PDFs, right? So I can use minimum 3 PDFs only because I am a free member for this chat PDF. Why we have to use this chat PDF under? You can see somebody will review your paper, somebody will be the editor for your article, right? I have also reviewed 10 papers. How I can review? I didn't do my research and all. I am not getting still. I am doing only my research. But I have reviewed 10 papers, 10 research papers, 2 elsewhere papers, and then 8 different types of international papers I have reviewed. Using these types of chat GPT and chat PDF only. Yes, I am taking one PDF. Sorry for the delay. PDF, right? Not having any PDF. Wow. It should be a PDF file. Sorry, it is searching. Let's go with this file. I just included with this chat PDF. It is taking my chat PDF. Sorry, my PDF. In this PDF, I am having some bandwidth speed test, right? So I'm asking the question with this chatbot. It is like a chatbot only, but it will take only our PDF papers, right? Let's take. I'm having here already. Yes, this is one paper I have reviewed recently. I just checking. I need not to read the paper fully. What is the objective of this paper? Like that I'm typing. What is the objective of this article I'm typing? It is telling the answer, right? Yes, of course. The objective of the article is telling a lengthy key objective. 6 objectives it has told, right? It is also summarizing. The article says to contribute to the advancement of cloud computing process only. So I'm asking it to write a 2-line summary. Simply it is typing, not exactly 2-line. It is giving these much of text has been reduced into short text. Short text. The article presents a novel hybrid organization approach, like that it is telling, right? So, and what is the conclusion of this article, I'm asking. This will be helpful for reviewing a paper. You need not to review a paper fully. You just ask with this chat PDF, it will conclude what they are being needed, right? So it is simply giving conclusion, right? If you want to take this conclusion as a 2-line, then you just write a 2-line summary that you can type. Okay, so chat PDF, chat GPT, these are all nowadays a blooming artificial intelligence concept, and it will be very much helpful for the scientists and researchers and professors, everybody, even for students also, it is very much helpful. And nowadays, for presentation and all, we can go with Canva.com. It is also an artificial intelligence tool. Not only Canva, there are a lot of artificial intelligence tools are available, right? So we can just select the template and you can go with Canva. Just you can design your presentation or invitation, like that you can do using this Canva, right? That is coming, sorry. Let's just skip it. So how many of you know about this Canva to create the designs? Everybody know, huh? Yes. I have designed the certificate. Yes, I have designed this video. See, you can see this video. So videos, music, whatever it may be, I have created for my college using this Canva, and you can include the videos with musics too, right? So you can share with your friends, you can play with this, you can download. So you can print also, you can also share with the Instagram, social media, some other Facebook, like that you can show. So there are a lot of templates and designs are available in Canva artificial intelligence tool. You just click the particular template and you can create. That is easy to design. So you need not to go anywhere else to the DTP center or somewhere else. You need not to go. There are large amount of templates. You can also include your own template invitations you can create. For example, if you want to create a certificate, you just go with the template. Just you can type, customize this template. Then you can create a crystal and clear certificate from Canva artificial intelligence tool, right? So you can create like this simply, right? Then you can share this to your friend or who can access, like that. You can share this using how to tell, you can share like a Google Sheet, Google Docs. You can share your certificate also. They can also, your friend also can edit the page, how they need, like that. They can also edit the same page. So these are all some tools, Chat GPT, Chat PDF, Canva. These are all some artificial intelligence tools nowadays we are using, and more we have to research, and we have to create the useful artificial intelligence tools for the people who needs artificial intelligence concept, right? So all the best to all, and let's go to conclude our part, right? So that's all. So be like a swan, just intake the good and eject the bad when we are using the artificial intelligence concept. Is there any questions? Please kindly ask us. Thank you so much for providing the opportunity, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Participants, you have any other queries, you can discuss with ma'am.
You can also share your thoughts here.
Ma'am, actually, the
Yes, sir.
real thing what I'm saying, I don't know up to this day, the chat GPT will be translated into Tamil. First time I have been learned from you in this FDP.
It will translate into all types of whatever the Google is
Language.
translating, sir.
Yes.
Those languages are coming here.
But
So we need not to worry
never
about it.
I have not tried it to be translated in Tamil or any other languages. I have been working with the chat GPT 4.0 itself also.
Okay, sir.
Never I have been translated. The best information I have
Okay.
received today in this FDP from you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are having any information about ChatGPT, you can share with us, sir.
Yes, ma'am. The chat PDF you have been mentioned here now, that is a really most helpful to the today academicians and researchers because
Exactly, sir.
because we can't be study the number of pages in nowadays schedule, but we can get a
Yes, sir.
simple
Yes, sir.
objective or conclusion what are the whole things have been described whole PDF
Yes, sir.
by the
Yes, sir.
crystal crisp matter. Then we can you need it, then we can fully take a study, or else we can just
Yes,
work
sir.
next PDF at all.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir.
That
The
is
chat PDF is helpful to the researchers, reviewers, editors.
yes, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks a lot for this much brief message about the AI today's and future generation. I would like to get some queries from other participants.
Yes, sir. Priya, ma'am. Ganapati sir is working in Trichy College, sir. Ganapati sir, are you available? Yes, sir. Ganapati sir, can you introduce?
Please share about you, sir. It's not audible. Ganapati sir.
Dr. Ganapati sir.
So 1 second. Sir,
Yes,
now it's audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He is very much popular in artificial intelligence deep learning concept using agriculture, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
He was working with
It's an introductory part. It's well and good. It's opening. We have to get through it, and then we have to go for specialization part. So well and
yes, sir.
then we have used many parts. Again, the important part, this the prompt engineering they say in ChatGPT.
Yes,
Prompting
sir.
also matters there.
Yes, sir.
So in such cases, simply putting the we need means just you have to prompt accordingly. That's one part I just want to convey. Other than ma'am, it's I follow the lectures. Just 10 minutes I missed some part. I followed it. Very useful because I learned some new terms also. Some wolf ran or something alpha something. I just want yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's new terminology. I just get to know all those. So, thank you.
Okay. Also, we can use this ChatGPT for getting the codings for research, right, sir? Satish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it will be very much helpful for the researchers, basically. Thank you, Ganapati sir.
Priya, ma'am.
Priya ma'am, Lavanya ma'am.
Any others?
Can you share your feedbacks?
Doing an research in Bharadasan University. You can get in some more suggestions from ma'am, and you can implement in your research too. Ma'am, other people are researchers in our team.
Okay, so that's why I have told about ChatGPT, chat PDF and all. Shripati sir, Saranya Devi ma'am, Shanmugapriya ma'am is available. Siddhan sir, Sivagami ma'am, Tenmoli ma'am, Tilagavati ma'am, Suguna ma'am. Tilagavati ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am.
ma'am. Wonderful presentation, ma'am. Really good. Yeah, I'm very fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I didn't tell more, ma'am, because I'm not having time.
Yes, ma'am. But it is fruitful information, ma'am. Whatever you are sharing, it is fruitful information to all, ma'am.
Tell more to all, sir. Satish, sorry for this session. I couldn't tell more.
Yeah, but it is useful to everyone, ma'am. Ma'am, I personally thanks to the organizer, ma'am. Really, I didn't receive. I received information from them through WhatsApp regarding our Google Meet, but
Mm-hmm.
I didn't notice, ma'am, because hectic work. 6 o'clock only I reached my home, ma'am. But really, thanks to the organizer, they called me and asked me. Really, really, it is very appreciable, ma'am. Thank you, organizer, because
Yes,
it is very much useful webinar, ma'am. Really good,
yes,
too
ma'am.
good. It is a
Satish
very
Kumar
useful
sir.
speaking.
Thank you, Dhananjay.
Really good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
He will.
Satish Kumar sir,
He will
thank you so
follow
much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. That the
If we
person is
miss out
Saranya
anything,
Devi. She is an project manager for the whole event which has been conducting previously the 2 months in our companies.
Yeah. Really
actually,
good, really
very
too
much
good practice
active.
because everyone registered because of we are all working, so you know what is the hectic situation everyone facing. But forget this humanity that is we forget everything. But
Yes,
for in person, they called and informed. Really, it is very appreciable, sir.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Charanya,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, thank you.
The team is very much active, ma'am. Actually, they will follow us. They will run behind us only. If we missed out anything,
Really
they will
too
come
good,
forward.
Rekha, ma'am, because so many FTP I attended so far, ma'am. So many
What
FTP I attended so far.
Yes,
Even it is 11 days, 5 days, 7 days, so many. But this is the first time I got an call from the organizer to remind the FTP. They sent a message in a WhatsApp group, but they didn't create any WhatsApp group. I thought that once they didn't create, but in personally they sent the message. But we didn't, what we did, registered their number, no, so we ignore it. Due to some problem, we ignore it, we just, but really, it's amazing practice himself.
amazing and
So many
wonderful
of them have
team
to follow.
Satish Kumar sir is having, right, sir?
Ma'am, I would
Yes,
like to thank more to you and I would like to show my team here. So
yes, sir.
guys, can you
With pleasure, we are
Such
waiting
an
to.
active team you are.
For the
Well
Ma'am, Rekha
done,
ma'am.
well done job. Well done job. Yes, sir.
Um,
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Really, thank you, Charanya, ma'am.
Yes,
Really,
ma'am.
thank you so much, ma'am. Because of you
He's
only,
such a
I attend today's
talented
session.
team.
Because
Talented,
even I
active.
forgot, ma'am. I thought I have to join. What I did next, I keep it alarm because too much work, ma'am. We reached till now. Just now I reached home, so I started
Priya, ma'am, are you talking to us?
No, I'm just observing. My in my system,
what we
my
call the
video.
home of everything. But because of you, really, thank you so much, ma'am.
Really nice team, sir. You have wonderful team.
ma'am, as soon as
Because
possible. Yes,
when
ma'am.
we organizing in a program, teamwork will work, sir.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can't do it independently. Is it right, Rekha, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly right. Team should be good and qualified team. Whether they are qualified or not, we have to mold them, right, ma'am? Satish Kumar sir is doing perfectly,
Thank you, ma'am.
molding them.
Ma'am, as soon as
Molding the
possible,
team.
our company is going to conduct an international conferences and awards in Thailand.
Sir,
Really thank you, Satish Kumar, sir.
Yes, ma'am. We will be great. Give an invitation as soon as possible to all of
we
the
will support you, sir.
delegates who have been connected with me in past 2, 3, 4 years. The academicians have been number of people with me. The, today,
Yes,
today
ma'am.
have today I have been attended meeting with the Shina represent higher official in the university. They
Okay, sir.
arranged for us to conduct a program on January 20.
Super, sir.
Pongal, we are going to conduct an international conference in Thailand.
Super, sir. All the best for your each and every steps you are taking, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Priya ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Priya ma'am.
Yes,
Priya
ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you hear me, ma'am? I celebrate your really, ma'am, short period, short time information. It is really amazing, ma'am. It's very, very
Thank
trending
you.
information.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, shall we go for a
Chief.
vote of thanks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Anybody have any questions,
Yeah.
suggestions, or feedback, or something we want to improve in this session? Please. Shripati sir.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Lailadi Kati Publication and Press, we extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. Shanmugapriya, Head of Business Development at USP Solution, Nigeria. Our valuable insights into artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on industries, business, and education have been eye-opening. Our expertise has enriched our understanding of AI potential to shape the future, and we are deeply appreciative of our time and commitment. I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Rekha.V, Assistant Professor, Agurchand Manmull, Jain College. Our insightful presentations on the far-reaching impact of artificial intelligence and our expertise in guiding us through this evolving field have been truly valuable. We deeply appreciated your dedication and the knowledge you have shared with us, which has opened new horizons for our understanding of AI potential to shape the future. Finally, we are grateful to all the participants, faculty members, and attendees for our active involvement. Our passion and engagement have been integral to success of this program, and we look forward to continue this journey of learning and collaborations. Once again, thank you all, and we hope to see many more such events in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rekha ma'am. Thank you, Priya ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
Dilek.
you.
Thank you, Rekha ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Satish sir. Thank you, Charanya ma'am. Rekha ma'am, Priya ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Wonderful,
so much for joining.
wonderful. Thanks a
Yes,
lot,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
all
you.
Satish sir,
participants.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Ganapati sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Ganapati sir, you can talk
Thank you,
with
ma'am.
sir.
Hi, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, we just check with sir. Right. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can stop streaming, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.